Right then, I've just spent 1 hour and 20 minutes with Rory Sutherland so that you don't have to. You're very welcome. Now think of this as the course IV version, but with fewer graphs, less techno-babble, and way more sarcasm. Comedians make better marketers than economists. Imagine if your product or service was introduced by a comedian rather than an economist. Why? Well, because comedians understand timing, human behaviour, and how to bend reality with a bit of a laugh. Economists, well, they understand pie charts. Take advertising. If an economist launched Lynx deodorant, the ad would say, contains aluminium, zirconium, tetra. Now, if a comedian launched it, they'd say, spray this on and women will chase you down the high street. Now, guess which one is going to sell out in Boots? Exactly. Logic doesn't always work, but psychology does. Now, Rory points out we often overvalue rationality in marketing. For example, nobody needs to buy a £3 coffee from Starbucks. Logically, it makes absolutely no sense. Psychologically, it's theatre and the smell and the name scribbled wrong on your cup. A cosy vibe. The lesson is stop trying to out-fact competitors, out-story them, sell them the feel and not the transaction. Value is relative, not absolute. Now, Rory uses his very famous Eurostar example, and they spent billions of pounds, or euros depending on which side of the sea you're currently on, shaving 40 minutes off the Paris to London journey. 40 minutes! But what if they just added free Wi-Fi, champagne and supermodels serving croissants? People probably would have begged to stay on the trip for a little bit longer. So the takeaway, well, sometimes the cheap, lateral solution outperforms the expensive, logical one. Marketers win when they ask, what kind of small tweak makes this feel 10 times better? The power of framing. If you've ever watched videos of Rory, he loves to show you how framing changes perception. Call a fee a small premium instead of a surcharge, and people nod along quite happily. Call a fee a restoration charge instead of a surcharge, and people will not question it in any shape or form. Same cost, but just different vibe. So think about your own career too. Do you say, I'm unemployed? Or I'm on a 30-day challenge to reinvent myself as a 10 grand a month marketer. Same situation, different frame. So that's Rory Sutherland in 4 very big lessons. Number 1, think like a comedian. Number 2, psychology beats logic. Number 3, value is relative. And number 4, framing changes everything. And honestly, if marketing feels too sensible, we're all doing it wrong. Rory's gift, apart from his utter British eccentricness, is reminding us that the best ideas make no sense until they do. Now, excuse me, I go off to go and spray myself with some Lynx and wait for the stampede. Ladies, please form an orderly queue.